Hey, what's going on, Silver Fox Nation? Hey, it's been a while. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Just want to give a shout out to Mountain Spring Honey Company. I have a local gal who's related to them who sold me this 5 pound tub, and we got three of them for $66, and so that equates to about $22 a tub. But you got to figure if a little 1 pound thing, 16 ounces, cost 12, $15 at the store. Like, this is a really good deal. And you know how the store honey looks like syrup? That's not even crystallized, and that's what the honey looks like. So if you guys are local, I have some friends on the channel. Get at me if you want to pick this up local, or if not, call them. If you're ever going down to like St. George, going south from Salt Lake, it's a little bit of a jaunt, but you can stop by and pick up some honey. I'd call them though, because I'm not sure about the winter, on how they operate. But really good honey. I honestly can only have 2 cups of tea with this honey, like in the wintertime, and I'll drink coffee because it makes me too tired with how many hours I'm working. But I can only have 2 cups because it's like so dense of a honey that I literally feel like not sick, but too much sugar kind of thing. So, yeah, give them a call. I think they have a website too, but got three of these for $22 each, and just a really, really good deal. So if you don't have any honey people by you, give them a call, give them an email. Support local, and honey's good for you. It has lots of nutrients, minerals, some, how am I trying to phrase this? Like if you're sick and you have honey, could be feeling a little bit better. Not promising anything, not doing any medical type suggestions, but honey does have its benefits. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Get your honey. Peace.